Hello, welcome back to my channel. We have discussed on what cryptocurrency and NFT is in our previous videos on which we mentioned blockchain. But what exactly is a blockchain? In this video, we'll be discussing what blockchain is, how it works, and also its potential impact on the world. If you're new here, I make whiteboard animated videos discussing the digital world of cryptocurrency. So, if you like this kind of videos, do give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell not to miss my next great video. So, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a transaction is added, it's grouped with other transactions, creating a chain of blocks. Hence, blockchain. It uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions as well as control the creation of new unit for a particular cryptocurrency. Alice wants to send some of her bitcoins to Bob. She initiates a transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain. The transaction is broadcast to the entire network of users, including Alex. The networks of users then verifies the transaction, making sure that Alice has enough Bitcoin to send to Bob and that she is the true owner of the Bitcoin. This is done through a process called mining, in which users like Alex uses their computing power to solve complex mathematical puzzle to validate the transfer. When the transfer is verified, it is added to a block of transactions along with other verified transaction. The block is then added to the chain of the previous blocks, creating a permanent and unchangeable record of the transaction on the blockchain. Because the blockchain is decentralized and distributed across the network, there is no need for a central authority like a bank to oversee the transactions. This makes the process faster and cheaper, and it eliminates the need for intermediaries. One of the key features of blockchain technology is that it's decentralized. This means that there is no central authority controlling it, and all participants have a copy of the entire blockchain. This makes it resistant to tampering and hacking. Another important aspect of blockchain is that it's secure. Each block in the chain is linked to the previous block through a cryptographic process called hashing. This makes it almost impossible to change the information in a block without being detected. Blockchains are mainly used as a distributed ledger for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but they can also be used for other applications such as smart contracts, supply chain management, and voting systems. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize industries from finance to supply chain management. It can provide a secure and transparent way to track transactions and eliminate the need for intermediaries. It's still a relatively new technology, but it's rapidly gaining traction, and we can expect to see more and more applications of it in the future. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.